sunroof, nav, heated seats, heated mirrors, onboard communication system, iPod MP3 input, rear air, overhead airbag, driver assistance package, premium package, M Sport. 435i trim, alpine white exterior and black interior. Click now. Key features include heated mirrors, sunroof, rear air, turbocharged, iPod MP3 input, onboard communication system, dual-zone AC steering wheel controls, electronic stability control, electrochromic rear-view mirror, mirror memory, brake assist option packages, cold weather package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, retractable headlight washers, technology package, head-up display, navigation system with push-pad, remote services, advanced real-time traffic information, BMW Online, BMW apps, enhanced USB and Bluetooth with smartphone integration, instrument cluster with extended contents, driver assistance package, rear view camera, park distance control, Harman Kardon surround sound system, premium package, Dakota leather upholstery, satellite radio, 1-year subscription. From original in-service date, comfort access, keyless entry, lumbar support, M Sport chrome rings around AC and radio controls, sport instrument cluster, signature key and M footrest, only with black or red upholsteries, aluminum hexagon interior trim, shadowline exterior trim, anthracite headliner, M Sport package, Estra blue matte highlight trim finishers, delete front fog lights, wheels, 18x8 FR and 18x9 RR, style 441M, light alloy, double spoke, tires, P225/50 R18 FR and P255/45 R18 RR mixed curve, increased top speed limiter, without exterior lines designation, aerodynamic kit, sport seats, M Sport suspension, M steering wheel, transmission, 6-speed manual, automatic high beams. Experts conclude. Eggmans.com explains. The 4 Series Y by from Osmosis BMW serving St. Albans, Charleston, Huntington, Tees Valley. Horsepower calculations based on trim engine configuration. Please confirm the accuracy of the included equipment by calling us prior to purchase.